Everybody, it's Kim from Hampton Art. As you can see in front of me, these are most of our stamps from the new 2013 winter release. We've got some great new licenses with Authentique, Echo Park, Bella Boulevard, and then some new stamps from Seven Gypsies, as well as Graphic 45. So we're going to have a little fun. We're going to do a video series called First Impression. What that means is we've got all these brand new straight from the warehouse, and we're going to take them and we're going to unwrap them and we're going to kind of get to know these stamps together. We're going to see what our first impression is of the new sets. We're going to look in detail at each stamp set. How many stamps are in each, the name of the collection that it goes with, and just kind of brainstorm some ideas together and see what we think these would be perfect for. As well as, you guys are going to let me know kind of what your favorite thing is to do when you get a new stamp set. Is there a certain way you like to open it, a certain way you like to store them, anything you do to prime your stamps? So we're just going to have a little bit of fun together. So, as you can see, we've got a ton of new sets. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put all of these names of the stamp sets on pieces of paper. I'm going to put them in a bowl. We're going to reach in and we're going to grab and we're going to see what we've got. So it'll always be something new and exciting, and you won't know what's coming next, but yet we'll have fun together and we'll enjoy getting to know our stamps. So first impressions, Hampton Art, all of the new stamps from our 2013 collection. Stay tuned. Look forward to having some fun with you guys.